Hi there, it's Sandra, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the content calendar system. So when you head to the checkout page, you're going to first receive your welcome email, which includes links to the content calendar system PDF and the content calendar system Trello board. Both of these will give you access to all the links, plus tons of other great resources and tutorials to help you get the most out of it, as well as links to access the calendar in the different formats and all of the components of the content calendar system. Now, if you bought the content calendar system by itself, you'll receive access to the Google Sheets calendars for 2021 and 2022, as well as the Excel version, the Google Calendar version, and PDF versions if you like to print them out and have them handy. And if you purchase the Google Sheets and Trello bundle, you also get access to the Trello content calendar with all of the ideas and caption templates inside of Trello, as well as the Trello Repurposing Bank, where we show you how to start creating an archive of your existing content so that you can quickly grab it and share it. And if you chose to add the Social Media Graphics Power Pack to your order, you'll also get access to 800 social media templates that go with the content calendar system, all designed to increase your engagement and save you even more time. They can be accessed in Canva. You can download them, share them as is, or edit them to suit your needs. And they're all professionally designed to create a beautiful, cohesive brand. Before I show you those in Canva, I want to show you the actual content calendar. This is the Google Sheets calendar. The Excel version looks very similar to this, and every day of the month you're going to have a prompt of what to post. These content ideas are all broken down into strategic categories designed to increase your engagement, build your authority, and generate leads and sales. And that's what makes the content calendar system so powerful, is that we've done the heavy lifting for you. There's no stress or worry trying to figure out if you've promoted your offers enough or too much, or if you've engaged your audience enough. You've got a strategic mix of content all planned out for you right here. You also have the captions right here on the calendar. So it's super convenient to just hover over these black triangles and copy the caption and either paste it into a Google Doc to edit it or post it as is. So as you're using the calendar, if you come across a prompt and you'd like to change it up a little bit, you can simply head over to the content library and get some other ideas. These are the same exact ideas that are mapped out on the calendar. These are in list view. And every category has its own tab with a full list of ideas, and again, those little triangles where you can grab the caption. The best part is you can use this as a tracking system and jot down the dates that you shared each post. And each tab also has a quick link to the Google Doc with all of the captions for that category. The content prompts all correspond to the image templates, which I'll show you in a minute, but first I want to point out something I know you're going to love. Now, let's say you want to see the calendar in Trello. If you've purchased the Google Sheets Trello bundle, you can absolutely do that. You will have access to the Trello content calendar. You'll be invited to copy this calendar into your own Trello account, and it's set up similar to the Google Sheets content calendar. And you'll have the option to view your content as a monthly calendar like this, as a weekly calendar, or in list view organized by category. And when you click on any one of these content prompts, you'll either see the caption like this, or you'll see a link just like this that opens it up in a Google Doc and you can copy it from there. The beauty of working in Trello is that you can easily reschedule content as you share it by clicking right in here, setting a future date, and in this way, you're repopulating your calendar with endless content. So when you select the Google Sheets calendar system option, you will receive access to the Google Sheets calendar with all of the content ideas, 620 caption templates, as well as the content library and the video tutorials. And when you choose the Google Sheets and Trello bundle, you will get all of that plus the Trello content calendar. And if you chose the option to add the social media graphics power pack to your order, you'll receive a second PDF with links to access all of the files in Canva. Each one is available in story size and as a post size, and you can use these images for Instagram, Facebook, and even Pinterest. They're all completely customizable, so you can tweak them to fit your brand, change the colors, change the fonts, add your logo. You can also use them exactly as they are. These are all professionally designed to give your brand a cohesive, harmonious look. Now, one last thing I want to show you is the bonuses you'll get. You'll have a complete list of holidays and special observances for social media. These include the major ones that are already listed on the calendar, plus additional ones that you may find relevant to your business and interests. You'll also have social media copy secrets to help you create unique content that is highly engaging, highly compelling, our call to action swipe file, and emoji cheat sheet. Plus videos and tutorials to help you get the most out of the content calendar system. And last but not least, I want to show you the Repurposing Bank. The Repurposing Bank is a simple spreadsheet and a very powerful way to organize content you've already created, maybe even content you've forgotten that you've created, and keep it in one place so that you have it at your fingertips and ready to share. And inside the content calendar system, we share repurposing strategies to save you even more time. I hope this gives you a good idea of what's inside of the content calendar system and helps you decide which one will fit your needs and how you like to work. If you have any questions at all for us, please feel free to reach out at team@clients2courses.com. We've got a 7-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out, see if it's going to work for your business and your niche. And if it doesn't work, no problem. Just send us an email within 7 days of purchase, and we will gladly refund your money. I can't wait to see you inside of the content calendar system and help you build your business with social media.